Hello everyone. Right now we are in Phuket, Thailand. Where our next destination is Promthep Cape. It's a very scenic, frosted, and viewpoint located at the southernmost point tip of Phuket, Thailand. It is most famous for its stunning panoramic sunset view over the Andaman Sea, making it one of the island's most photographic spots. I'm sure you're gonna love this place. When I'm gonna take you to Promthep Cape, you will see all the scenario, all the views. There are many things to do over there. You can watch the sunset, visit the Promthep Cape lighthouse, which is a historical lighthouse. From there you can see the 360 view. Okay. Also you can see the Phuket Island and Koracha. When the day is clear, you can see that. And there are many statues beside the lighthouse. You're gonna enjoy the nature, you're gonna enjoy the view, and I'm sure if you have someone special with you, you can take a special moment, capture the special moment over there. So stay with us and enjoy the view of Promthep Cape. Do not miss to visit Promthep Cape when you are in Phuket, Thailand. It's a must.